Alright. What's up, boys? My PC crashed, so that's really fun. Sorry about that. What I'm gonna do now is try to load up UEFN, and I guess I cannot extract that right now because my PC cannot handle all that. Task Manager, Discord, making sure that there's no background processes going on, processes, get rid of, okay, dude, what is this? Why is it taking up 448 megabytes? Like, are we dead ass? What is Movavi Suite? What is Movavi Suite, dude? I don't know what the fuck that is and why it's taking up so much. OBS browser page? What is this? Spotify? I don't want Spotify. You guys, this is what I have to do if I want my PC to run. Desktop window manager, can't close that. What is this? Windows input experience? Animalware service executable. Definitely don't want to get rid of that. Free download manager. Get rid of this stuff. I need to delete these apps. Like, what is this? What is NVIDIA container? Why do I have this installed? Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna delete a bunch of apps, dude, because all these apps keep, like... What is that? Phone link? WinZip? Okay. Console window host? Secure system? Okay, yeah, that's fine. What is that? Okay. That's better. Because now only 40% of my memory is being used. Kind of wish I could get rid of some of this, but... Discord. Okay. OBS. Alright, I'm going to close this. And then open up UEFN. And hopefully, just these 3 programs are going to be running. And hopefully it doesn't freak out about me again. Let's check out Discord. Your stream crashed, I think? Yeah, I know. Here we got nice. Nanite is enabled but cannot render because the project has Nanite disabled. Looks pretty good so far. Yeah, nice. You know what? You guys know what? Like, this almost gives me, like, liminal space vibes, honestly. Because a lot of the map is missing. It really gives me liminal space vibes. Does it not? Like, is that just me? Or does it, like, give you guys... This definitely gives me liminal space. Like, this. Especially this picture. This picture gives me liminal space vibes. Now... Let me ping this guy. Cheeseburger Man. Okay, UEFN. Come on. I believe in you. My PC loves me, guys. Okay, so... Alright, wait 1 second. Okay. Um, Now, I need to run Google Chrome too. But, I'm really scared. Because I feel like my PC's gonna crash again. Okay, what's up? Oh, wait, I just realized I need to plug in my headphones. Hold on. I just need to connect them. I don't need to plug them in. I lied. Come on. There we go. Alright, I talk now. Hello? Is anybody there? Excuse me, sir. Okay, okay. I was like, I thought my output device was wrong or something. Like, alright, guys, we now have this loaded up. I'm gonna open up this random project because I think, why is this on OneDrive, dude? I don't want that on OneDrive. Please. Freaking pissing me off. No, no, no. Let's go to downloads. And then I'm gonna go to, let's just UEFN projects. Here we go. MISC, new folder. Script put together. That works. Okay, there we go. My project E. Yes, actually. Fine, fine. Scripts. Alright, there we go. Blank level. I'm not gonna load up my chapter 2 map right now because I think that's gonna take up way too much space, and also the goal of this stream is not to make full POIs because I want to focus on getting the actual scripts out for you guys so that you can put them together and you don't have to wait on me to make full POIs, because the problem is full POIs take a long time to make, so the pace at which I can put out full POIs is probably not fast enough for the pace that you guys want to make your maps at. So I'm going to give you guys the scripts for it, and then I'm going to show you how to put it together by yourself so that you can actually have access to the stuff. We literally have nobody in chat yet, bro. That's okay. I don't really do YouTube for the numbers anymore. I don't really care. I just do it to help out the community. Okay, wait. Are you ready? Cheese, man, burger. Yeah. Alright, show your screen. We'll do this right now and then I'll get started on my thing. Alright, cool. Dude, this looks phenomenal, okay? Like, genuinely, this looks so good. I think people are gonna be really happy with this. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then everything validates, right? You figured the fences out and stuff. Oh. What? Unique actors, Valkyrie, Wood. Wait, what it? Oh. That's just the level, so. Yeah. Add? I don't know. Gameplay maybe? Gameplay? No. Go back to add. I don't know. It doesn't really matter because we know that it will validate in a project that actually has that, right? So, so I think you're fine. So, anyways, what you have to do now is put down. What you want to do is make sure all of the props, pretty much just select everything, and make sure it's attached to one single floor. So, do you have one single floor that you could put? Yeah. So put it like in the center of the POI or something so people can move it with the floor. Yeah, like that. And then I'd probably, that's fine. And then select everything. So yeah, there you go. And deselect your floor. Control click. Yeah, you got it. And then right click onto that on the actors that are actually selected. So like yeah, those. And then attach to. And then eyedropper and pick the floor. I don't really know why it's weird. Hold on. You probably have non-actors selected. Do you know what I'm talking about? You have non-actors. So you have like gameplay stuff. So you need to go to your select everything and then deselect the non like deselect the game. Yeah, like that. You have to deselect that. And and then if it still doesn't work, deselect yeah, there you go. You see? Okay. Cool. So now the entire POI moves with all right. So then I want you to pretty much click on the LA Town sidewalk, the main in your outliner. Just click on it, and then scroll all the way down to the end of your project. Just like scroll all the way down, and then when you're hovering over the wood mines corner, like the last one, you see that? I want you to press Shift click. Okay, and then I want you to right click, edit, copy. All right, and now open up a new text file on your computer. And name it something like Orchard Full POI. OR, yeah, just copy that. Just copy. You put, wait, I think you put OE, yeah. And then full POI, yeah. Okay, open it up. And then paste in the stuff you just copied. Pretty cool, huh? So then save this, save it, Control S. All right, and now it's saved to that file, so you can exit out. And then all you're gonna want to do is go to my website and then upload it. Yep. Yay. Don't just put me. People aren't gonna know what me is. Just put your name, dude. You spent a lot of time on it. Okay, sure, fine. It's all of chapter 2 seasons. So 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. Yes. No, you can select anything that it has too. So trees, bush, plant, grass, rock. Um, sign, building. Yeah, right? Maybe. I don't know. I know, but just pick like as you're scrolling, just pick a couple that you see that stand out to you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Uh, not really. I mean, yeah. Floor definitely. Yeah, okay, there might be duplicates again. Ugh, God, come on, man. You don't have to select the door or the grass twice, but it's fine. Do Control F for the orchard. Orchard should be in there. Yeah, yeah. Wait, it's not in there? I guess not. That's weird. Okay. That should probably be good enough, right? Yeah. Okay. Yep. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, you're right. You have to upload a separate pack for it. So the go to your project files. No, 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 your project files, your actual files on your computer. Yeah. And then yeah. Yeah, so I would put them in one folder, so make a new folder and just put him in there. Yeah. I think you have to do it in UEFN. Just do it in UEFN. No spaces are allowed. Yeah. Move. And then move all those folders to stuff for orchard. And then stuff for orchard, copy that, go to paste it in your downloads. or whatever, doesn't matter. And then you're gonna want to compress it to a zip file. Yeah. And then upload the zip file to the website. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah. Script asset pack. Um, I'm gonna change that to so like you can just type in your own keywords because I think it's kind of a lot to scroll through that. Just zoom in on like the sign, so like you can get a preview of what's in it. You know, or you know what maybe you could do is you could also put the like a duplicate of the sign and everything right next to each other. Okay. It doesn't matter. You can upload any size, but okay. Oh, yeah. So put that, and then I'd get another image of the other side and put it. Yeah, yeah. There you go. And then just change. You do like a different background than white. I don't know. I think it was. I think it was like the. It was a rake, right? Wasn't it a rake or a hoe or something? I don't know. Mm. Probably just click on it and expand. I feel like. What are you doing? What? What? Okay. That's better than the white. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Credits, Bob. Did you think anybody's downloaded it yet? Oh, some. No, it wasn't. Somebody downloaded it. Yeah. Okay. 40. I think it was 42. Yeah. I'm gonna post some stuff. So, like, I'm gonna try to get some POI folders ready. I'm gonna put them on the website, and then I want you to start working on putting together the full POIs. So, if I can get this up here, let's do. Alright. No, I don't need that. Slash cpanel. I need to log in to I'm gonna start putting together. Let's do sweaty or something. Or what should we start with? Should we start with sweaty, like craggy? Which one do you wanna? Should we start with? Do you think? Sweaty or sweaty? Yeah, but like I'm gonna try to put together. Okay, I guess it doesn't want to. Yeah, I know. Hold on. I'm just gonna try to get as many scripts as possible up so people can actually make the POIs themselves, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to put the full POIs up there fast enough. You know what I'm saying? Because it takes a lot of time. Sweaty Sands Apartments. Gas station Sweaty B. I don't know which one's which, but we'll figure it out. Sweaty Sands Construction, Sweaty Sands Duplex, Ice Cream Parking Lot, Rescom, Rescom 2, Rescom 3, Single House, and then Sweaty Sands Hotel, Hotel Pool. Did I already get Parking Lot? Parking Lot B. Yeah. Oh, did you test the... Yeah. Yeah, why wouldn't it work? Yeah. Yeah, I feel you. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it is. If you didn't, then you would have to copy the asset folder into your project first, and then it would do it, right? Oh, except I need to change the way that your thing is set up. Hold on. It's because in order for it to work, the user has to put their actual map name in there for those custom assets to load. So if that makes sense, I'm going to change that real quick. If POI Sunny Shores. Sunny Shores 02, don't know which one is which. Main2.css. Okay, that's not anything I need. If we do Deadpool, if you click on the Deadpool yacht one, you're gonna see what I mean. So if you go back to the website and click on the Deadpool yacht, The full POI. Okay. Okay, slash orchard.php, and then search up orchard.php. Open this up, and then what it's gonna do is download the Orchard asset pack. V1 includes 100% of assets. Premium HP ID equals. Let's go get that URL. Yeah. Oh, that's true. It'll be fun. Some things are bugged on the yacht. Yeah, I know. I think some of it got bugged. There's nothing I can do about that. Oh, did you you didn't put in the assets yet. You did it wrong. What? Wait, why'd you download the regular version? Did you read the directions? Oh, well, maybe that's why it doesn't work. Okay, then go back. You're not done yet. Go follow all the directions, because otherwise it won't work. Yeah. What's the name of your map? It has to be the exact name. Yeah, it's capital. No, you have to download modified. There you go. Stuff. Yep. Put in your new script. Yeah. So some of the stuff is a little bugged, but as you can see, the all the red is there, like all the and the that. I think the bed, yeah, the bed is glitched. I don't think it's even there. If you look at the bed, where the bed's supposed to be, um, it's up at the very top of the yacht. Yeah, yeah, you see the bed? I think it's glitched, but the socks and underwear are there. So I have to fix that in the script. There's a couple things I have to fix. Yeah. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah? Why'd you say it like that? Yeah. Oh, okay. The bottom's red too. Like the bottom of the ship should be red, right? Yeah. Cool. All right. So looks like I have to fix a couple things, but other than that, it's looks pretty good. All right, let me add orchard, orchard asset pack. Orchard assets will render. Wait, what? I didn't see it. Okay, I think this is good now. Orchard.php. Actually, I think I'm just gonna get rid of. A. Up here below. Cool. I'm going to. Let me go to data.json and update this real quick. Orchard. Put the community tag. Community, and then premium category community. Nippo Deadpool Yacht asset pack. Alright. Pretty little baby. Orchard.php, and then oops. Orchard full landmark. Orchard full landmark. Modified link will appear below. Enter asset pack. Orchard full landmark. Alright, if you go back to the website and click on Orchard POI, it should take you to a page, right? Click. Yeah. Cool. And then enter the exact name of your map below. For the Deadpool, I think I'm gonna get rid of the original because .php. I'm gonna edit this because I think people are gonna just try to download that. So if we do modified version will appear below. Cool. My project D, let's just try it. Modified script. Download modified. I'm gonna remove the premium status from Orchard. Yeah, I'm just gonna make the Lazy Lake POI not premium. Okay. Okay. Let me rerun my process log script and let's see what's now the #1 most downloaded. Still is chapter 2 asset pack with 47 downloads. And then we've got 30 docs full POI is number 4. What's number 2? Number 5, number 7, number 12. Number 3 is the full prison shark. And then what's... Hold on, I think that these... Process log. I'm gonna see what thing it uses here. Sorted log.json. Yeah, okay, so... I think if daily logs, we can do... wait, what? What? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think 6... okay. I don't know. It's... why is it... Alright, let's look at how many downloads we got yesterday. Or on 6, let's do 6.2 first. There's a lot. We had 80 downloads on 6.2. That's crazy. Yeah, I know. And then I have a report on every asset that was downloaded too, and then we got 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Let's do yesterday. Yesterday looks like it was a holy crap, dude! Yesterday, guess how many downloads were made? 172. Still a lot. Yeah. Cool. That's a lot of... most was... yeah. Most was definitely yesterday. That's the peak of it. And then today we've had how many downloads? Let's look. You do realize that every time you go to any website, it logs your IP, right? You do realize that, right? No, it's not, because that's literally how computers communicate, dude. It's not bad. Like, no, they don't. All I know is where your your server is, like where it's just your internet provider. It doesn't tell me anything. Yeah, but this just gives me the only reason I have to collect these is so I know that people aren't spamming, you know? Because if you spam the same IP, well then obviously those aren't real downloads, so yesterday it looks like we had 45 downloads, and the top I also can get the top IP, so whoever downloaded the most. If we... oh wow, the Orchard Pack is the 92nd most downloaded. Are you happy about that? Your let's see where your chapter 6 landscape is. Wait, your chapter 6 is the number 2 most downloaded. Yeah. Look. Go look. That's I know. Do you want me to check to see if somebody spam downloaded? Mm, chapter 6, what's the asset ID on this? What is its ID? AX? Let's check yesterday first and see how many. I think we found our culprit. Are you looking at my stream? Okay. Yup. It's the same IP. Oh, it's spam downloaded. I'm sorry. But it won't track it. Yeah. I'm sure there are. It's just this person yesterday spammed it. So I have to go and delete those now. So if we do download, that's what we're gonna figure out. This is the dude. Look, AX. So, oh my god, it's all from the same IP. That's insane, dude. Why did this person download it so many times? Just making sure these are all the same IP, and it looks like it is. So these are all spam downloads here. Let's get rid of those, and then we can see. Yeah, and it's not all just spam. Okay, now we gotta hope that nobody. Somebody just made a download at 1608, so I'm just trying to make sure I don't lose data, because when people do spam downloads, I have to edit the file, and the thing is, if somebody made a download, then I lose the data, which I don't want to lose. So 1608, that looks like it's updated right now. 1608, refresh again. 1608, 1608. Okay, let me save this really quickly so make sure we don't lose any more downloads. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Wait, is that what it is? After I removed all of the spam, it's 5 downloads. Damn. It looks like somebody else already downloaded the Orchard stuff. They downloaded. Somebody else downloaded the asset pack. All right, let me do the process log again. And now let's see, because right now your thing still says number 2, but let's see what it is now. Okay, number 29. It drops to 29. And now the number 2 is, yeah, the number 2 is the shark now, the full shark POI. Download 0. Yeah, I'm gonna. Because a lot of assets are gonna start to be posted, and then it's gonna get like really clogged. Yeah, so I'm gonna add more filters. I think I need to update the seasons too on here because it only has a couple seasons that you can filter by right now. So like you can filter chapter 2 season only chapter 2 and chapter 3 season 1. Yeah. So I'll have to update that. I think what I'll do is just hmm. I don't think so. I mean, I can check. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to add more buffers so that it'll only track a download, like it only track one download from each IP. You know what I'm saying? And then I need to add more filters for recently downloaded. And then I'm gonna also update the requests section so that you guys can post um, like actual requests and stuff on there. So yeah, and then they can just upload it. Yeah. All right, let me put together the Sweaty Sands pack real quick and then put that on the site. Let's do Sweaty Sands starter pack. Which one do you think it is? Apollo POI Sunny Shores or Apollo POI Sunny Shores 02? I'm just gonna put both in there. Okay, and then all of these go in there. And then I'm going to compress to zip, and then Sweaty Sand starter pack, upload asset. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna probably be doing something on Friday, so I don't know. We'll see. Prop, prop, wall, city, grass, tree, rock, road. Definitely sign. Definitely building, furniture, chair, table, floor, ceiling, roof. Okay, yeah, forget it. House, though. House is an important one. Apartment, tower. Alright, that's good enough. Let's, asset file. 20 cent starter pack. Um, 5 years ago for this image. Alright, it's being uploaded. Alright, I just uploaded it. So I want you to download the Sweaty Sands starter pack. I have a script with everything for chapter 2 as one script. It's buildings, rivers, nature, props, everything. That sounds like a PC crasher. If I'm being totally honest. Alright, did you download the Sweaty Sands pack yet? Thirty minutes. Mountain base. megabytes. Tower C, Tower D, Chapter 3, Lazy Lake. Who uploaded this? Did you upload this or no? Alright guys, the Grotto starter pack is posted now. Ghost Midas has 9 downloads. Somebody's Ghost Midas has more downloads than your train. Dude, how does your train still have 0 downloads? Alright, new assets. Alright, cool. Pretty much what I want you to start doing is begging the full POI with those. Okay, the Fortilla has 8 downloads. You literally have everything, bruh. Nope, you shouldn't. Can you share your screen? I uploaded Chapter 3 Lazy Lake. Wait, can you delete my Lazy Lake file? I meant to name it Loot Lake. Okay, hold on. I can just rename it for you. There you go. Alright, it should be renamed now to Chapter 3 Loot Lake. There we go. Oops. Alright, thank you. Yeah, no problem, dude. I can't see your screen right now. Yeah. Can you share your screen? Portrait. No. I don't know why. Oh, wait. I have to click on watch. Oops. Okay. Okay. Open up your files again. Yep. Oh, careful. You have to redo it because you didn't connect it first. Connect it to a new floor. Yeah, just get a new one. You just spawned in the same thing. Just click delete. Okay. I think you opened it twice. Yeah, get rid of those. Then go back to your files and then get a new one. You already got that one. You got that one? Alright. Lifeguard B you didn't get yet. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back.